Mom, Dad, can we go to the store? Grandpa said he'd buy me toys.
Dad, you don't have to do that. Dennis has enough toys as it is.
No, I insist. Anything my grandson wants, he gets. Do you have anything you need to pick up at the store, Mavis?
No, nothing I can think of off the top of my head.
Please, 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 Mom and Dad.
Well, maybe we'll find something we need at the store. Yeah, all right, let's go to the store.
Hey guys, welcome to my store. Have a look around and I'll ring you guys up whenever you're ready.
Okay. Me and Denisovich will go shopping for toys. We'll meet you after we're done.
Come on, hurry, Grandpa. Let's go.
Alright. Should we go take a look around the store?
Actually, Jonathan, we don't need anything. I just came because Dennis wanted to come so badly.
Hey, I have a great idea. Why don't we go and buy toys for Dennis too, and give it to him as a surprise?
Oh, that's a great idea. Dennis loves surprises.
Alright, let's go find toys for Dennis. Alright, Denisovich, put the toys on the conveyor belt.
Okay, I'm all done.
Good job, my dear boy. We're ready to check out now.
Alright, let me ring you two up. Let's see how much this Lost Kitty surprise toy is. That's going to cost $3.50. Now let's scan this Disney Cars Mashems. And the last item is this Moj Moj blind bag. Let's see how much this is. It's $3. Alright, the total comes out to $8. How would you two like to pay?
Here you go.
Looks like they gave us $10 in cash. That's a little over what we asked for, so let's give them change. 10 minus 8 is 2. So here's $2 back. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you very much.
Are we done now, Grandpa? Can we open up the toys?
Of course, my dear boy. We'll open them immediately when we get home. Alright, we're ready to check out.
Do you think he'll like these toys?
He's a kid, Mavis. He likes everything.
Okay, let me ring you two up really quickly. Start by scanning this Pick Me Pops Push Me Ups. That's going to cost $2.50. Now let's scan this Shopkins Season 3 blind basket. That's going to cost $3. And last but not least, let's scan this Trolls Series 7 blind bag. That's going to cost $2.50. Okay, your total came out to $8. How would you two like to pay?
Here you go.
Looks like they gave us a credit card. All we have to do is run the card, and they'll be good to go. Thanks for stopping by. Come back soon.
Thank you. All right, let's go back to our home.
Oh, I can't wait to see the look on Dennis's face.
Mom, Dad, look at all these toys.
Whoa! Looks like you had a huge haul, little man.
All right, let's open them up.
Here, let me help. Let's start by opening this Moj Moj blind bag. Check it out! It's a sunbathing kitty with pink ears. And our second surprise is this pink seal. Nice! It's a rare one. Here's a closer look. Alright, now let's check out this Lost Kitty surprise toy. Let's take out the chocolate milk. Here's how it looks. Now let's check out the surprises. Today we got Chickle. Here's a closer look. This cat definitely has some catitude. Alright, now let's check out the accessories. Awesome! We got a green pizza slice. Now let's check out the sticker. We got a Chickle sticker. Looks like Chickle spends a lot of time watching TV. Now let's check out this Disney Cars Mashems. Today we got Mater.
Did you like all the toys, Denisovich?
Yeah, thanks, Grandpa. I wish I could open some more toys, though.
Well, you're just in luck, little man.
Huh? What are you talking about, Dad?
Well, your mother and I didn't need to shop for anything at the store.
So we got you some more toys.
What? Really?
Really. Here you go.
Whoa! You guys are the best! Let's open them up.
Wow, it's Dennis's lucky day. Now let's check out the Shopkins Season 3 blind basket. Our first Shopkins is Asbury Raspberry. Here's a closer look. And our second Shopkins is Ginger Fred. Here's a closer look. Okay, now let's check out this Troll Series 7 blind bag. Today we got a baby troll with orange hair and teal overalls. Alright, last surprise toy. Let's check out this Pick Me Pops Push Me Ups. We just have to push up, and all our awesome surprises pop out. Oh, nice! We got a letter from Sherbet the Parrot. It says, "You're so sweet. Thanks, Sherbet." And here's our Sherbet the Parrot keychain doll. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!